Welcome to the ultimate guide to cryptocurrency trading for newbies. In this video, we will cover all the basics you need to know to get started in the world of crypto trading. Before we dive into trading, let's first understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography for security. They operate independently of a central bank and use blockchain technology to record transactions. To trade cryptocurrencies, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. There are many exchanges to choose from, each with their own pros and cons. You'll want to consider factors such as the exchange's reputation, fees, and available trading pairs. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to set up an account. This typically involves providing personal information and verifying your identity. Some exchanges may also require you to deposit funds before you can start trading. Congratulations, you're now ready to make your first cryptocurrency trade. To do so, you'll need to place an order on your chosen exchange. You can buy or sell a cryptocurrency, or trade one cryptocurrency for another. As with any investment, it's important to manage your trades carefully. This may involve setting stop-loss orders, monitoring the market, and staying up to date on news and events that may affect your investments. And that wraps up our ultimate guide to cryptocurrency trading for newbies. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in getting started with crypto trading. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.